Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix YouTube live chat problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all find YouTube app and then tap and hold on YouTube app. Now open YouTube app info. Just tap on I button or app info. Now scroll down. Tap on storage. Now tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Now go back to home screen. Now go to Play Store. Tap on search app. Now search YouTube. Search for YouTube. Now update your YouTube app in latest version. After completing update process, now restart your phone. Tap and hold on power button and then restart your phone. After restart your phone, now go to YouTube and check your problem solved successfully. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.